Hi, I'm Allie Cook for Dentistry Today. I'm talking today with Dr. Robert Gottlander. Dr. Gottlander, I'd like to start off by talking about where the lab industry is going. Can you tell us more about that?
I would be happy to. I think it's quite exciting time for the lab industry. It's going through a big shift. There's a lot of technology changes, and we see that there's continuous development going on, but we believe that now is a good time to enter the new technology. But we are very happy to see that all these changes actually means something very good for the patients. There are better cancer treatments. The cooperation between the laboratories and profession continues to develop, and it's all for the benefit of the patient. So it's quite exciting times. However, of course, it's a challenge for the industry to make decisions on when should I enter into new technology and what should I choose and what are the different choices.
It can be very overwhelming because technology changes so quickly. Well, how is Henry Schein helping the process?
We have a philosophy to work in an open architecture. So what you will see here, and when you see Henry Schein presenting, is that we try to gather the best manufacturers that we can find globally, and then to market that to the profession. So what you will see here today is that we have a lot of our partners that we think are excellent, and many of these connect with each other as well. So if you have a scanner, if you have a mill, or you have a printer, or if you work with our technology center CMC, you can actually use different kinds of equipment because the software we have is connecting it.
Do you find that it's easier with new technology to integrate these systems into the practice and into the labs?
It all comes back to the patient because in reality new technology is only a means to an end. If it doesn't mean that it's good for the patient, if it doesn't mean that it's something that the profession can work with, then it really doesn't make sense. I think one thing to think about when to enter new technology is not only what the products do you get, but how can you make it to work in your specific business, and that's something that's very important to us to make sure that we support the customer to integrate the technology into the laboratory or into the dental office, and then also have a good support system afterwards, because as we all know, when we buy the first computer or we buy the first something very technical, if we don't have a good support system, it's not fun.
Right, if you can't use it, you're not going to use it.
That's the point. So I think that these are things that are really important, and we take that very, very seriously. And I think in the Zahn team we have an excellent team, like you can see here in the room, that we are a crew. We are to the support of our customers.
Yes, the teamwork is very
Teamwork's
important.
important, yeah.
What is one aspect of some new technology that you're very excited about?
No, I think that what I'm really excited about is not one aspect, because what we see here is that we have incredible development of scanning technology, milling technology, printing technology, software technology. But what I'm really excited about is that these things now work in the flow, that we really can create a digital workflow that starts with an action that goes through different kinds of products and software, and then actually creates a product in the end, and that we can monitor that whole process. It used to be that the technology was much more standalone. It was piece by piece, and that's the big difference, and that I'm really excited about.
Well, thank you so much for this great information today. We appreciate your time. Where can people go for more information?
If you'd like to know more, which I hope you do, you should go to henryschein.com, and you will learn more about all the new technical solutions.
Okay, Doctor, thank you so much, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.